As the executive editor of Concealed Carry magazine, I often get asked about USCCA membership. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most popular questions I hear. Number 1, what do I get when I join the USCCA? As a USCCA member, you'll get instant access to the best firearms, concealed carry, and home defense training systems in the nation. Save time, save money, and cut out the guesswork with checklists and guides for everything from fortifying your home to training drills with your firearm. You'll automatically receive access to self-defense liability insurance benefits as an insured on a policy issued to the USCCA. You'll receive world-class customer support and private access to the Delta Defense Critical Response Team that you can call 24/7, 365 in case you're forced to act in self-defense. You'll get rewarded with member-only perks like complimentary shipping, a concealed carry magazine subscription valued at $79, and complimentary entry into our annual Concealed Carry Expo. You'll also get discounts of up to 25% on the new gear you want the most from our partners like Sig Sauer and Galco Gun Leather. Question number 2, what are the differences between membership levels? First, let's take one step back and tell you the obvious. USCCA membership has 3 different levels: Gold, Platinum, and Elite. The difference between them? Well, for starters, you get more tactical bonuses when you join in at the Platinum or Elite level today. New Gold memberships just get 1. The main difference is really simple. The higher your membership level, the more training and education resources you get access to. Other than that, everything else is the same. You get the same 24/7 access to the Critical Response Team. You get the same subscription to the award-winning Concealed Carry magazine. You get the same exclusive membership perks and tactical discounts. You get access to the same self-defense liability insurance benefits. That last point is important. When you purchase a USCCA membership, you don't need to feel like you're giving up any amount of legal preparation. You get education, training, and access to self-defense liability insurance to help you be prepared for a deadly threat. There's no mixing and matching coverages, no extra fees for additional benefits, and no guessing what you might need. That's important because you can't predict the future, and I can't either. But here's one thing I do know. A USCCA membership is the full package. For more details about your free bonuses or about USCCA membership, click the link in the description below. It should be the first thing you see. Question number 3. What training is included with my membership? The training that accompanies your USCCA membership is carefully crafted to seamlessly fit into your daily life. We've developed videos and curriculum that can help transform you into a more skilled marksman, a more situationally aware citizen, and a better prepared protector. Easily access them all digitally through your home computer, tablet, or smartphone. Here's just a small list of video training courses you get instant access to. Back to the Basics, Firearms Fundamentals, 3-part AR-15 Essential Training Series, Drill of the Month, When to Use Deadly Force, How Not to Look Like a Victim, Treating Traumatic Injuries. You'll also get access to real-life self-defense incident analyzed by experts. And members get the Ask an Attorney video series and many more. Number 4, if I don't carry a gun, is the USCCA still right for me? Yes, the USCCA is right for any responsible American who is dedicated to being their family's first line of defense. If you think there's ever a chance you'll need to use force to defend your family, with a gun or not, a USCCA membership will help you be prepared. Whether you're a first-time gun owner or have been carrying for years, or even if you only own a gun for home defense, the training and peace of mind you will gain with a USCCA membership will greatly improve your skills and preparedness. Question number 5, is my USCCA membership risk-free? You can rest assured that if you aren't completely satisfied with your purchase, you can get a full refund for up to 1 year with our 365-day bulletproof guarantee. We can only offer a big guarantee like that because there is a ton of value packed into a USCCA membership. And this is your chance to test drive a USCCA membership right now. You'll get instant access to all your education and training benefits. Within minutes, you can be watching video training courses, like our 1.25 hour When to Use Deadly Force training, or 1.5 hour Treating Traumatic Injuries training, or the 3-hour Drill of the Month video series, and so much more. If you decide the USCCA isn't for you, simply call to request a prompt and courteous refund. Number 6, How do I activate my USCCA membership? You can start your USCCA membership by clicking on the link in the description of this video. It takes less than 2 minutes, and your membership benefits are active the moment you join. Plus, every membership comes with at least 2 bonuses, absolutely free as a thank you for getting prepared to protect your loved ones. Do you still have questions? Watch this 100% true story about USCCA member Billy Coward. Despite being sucker punched in the face by an angry attacker, the justice system threatened to lock him up for a long time. Click the video right next to me to watch Billy's story.
The USCCA is not an insurance company. A policy has been issued to the USCCA. That policy provides the association and its members with self-defense liability insurance, subject to its terms, conditions, limitations, and exclusions. Delta Defense LLC provides sales, marketing, operations, and administrative support services to the USCCA and is a licensed insurance agency in all 50 states and the District of Columbia with its principal office in West Bend, Wisconsin. Delta Defense LLC does business as Delta Defense Insurance Services in California. California license number 0M34093. Contact 1-800-674-9779 with any questions.